How to download and install CapCut for PC. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. Here we go. Now at the very top you can see the search box. Over there type in CapCut download PC and search for it. With that you will land to this kind of page. Now over here you will find different website link for downloading CapCut. You can choose any of these. You can choose this very first one. Just click on it. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now from here you can easily log in or sign up for CapCut in the browser. To download CapCut for your Windows, you will get this option, download for Windows. You have to click on this option. With that it will start downloading. You can see that. Wait for some time. After completion of download process, you will get this kind of pop-up. Now you have to check in for this option, agree with CapCut, and click on this option, install now. With that, installation process will be started. You will need to wait for a few seconds. After it is installed, click on this option of start now. And with that you are good to go. Now you are able to use CapCut in your PC. You can see that I have easily downloaded and installed CapCut in my PC. You can apply the same process to download and install CapCut in your PC as well. I hope now you guys are clear about how to download and install CapCut in your PC. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.